So you want to record your split audio channels in different tracks for video editing. Let me make this easy for you. Go to OBS. Once loaded, click the three dots beside the audio mixer sources. Choose Advanced Audio Properties. In here, you'll see all tracks selected for your sources. This means they all record on the same track at the same time. To split them, you have to do two things. First, choose one track per source. 1 for game audio, 2 for Discord audio, 3 for microphone audio, 4 for PC audio to gather everything at once if you really want that, and 5 for notification audio. Do also make sure that Active Sources Only is checked off on the bottom left. Now close this window. Secondly, open the settings on the bottom right. Go to Output on the side menu, go to the Recording tab. Here you'll check off audio track 1 through 4, apply, and close. When you record anything from now on and drop it into your video editing software, such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Apple's Final Cut Pro, you will have one video track and multiple audio tracks, allowing for a massively easier time editing. And that's all there is to it. I told you I'd make it easy. If you found this video helpful, please click the thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to share it with your friends who are looking to get into streaming and recording if you think this will be helpful for them as well. Happy gaming!